Dear friends, welcome to another video in our program, The Most Correct Breathing. Today we continue exploring nasal breathing, inhaling and exhaling only through the nose, based on the method of Dr. Buteyko and supported by the scientific understanding of how the respiratory system works. Now, let's move on to the third aspect. This is the condition of your facial muscles. It's very important to keep your face relaxed. So relax your face. How can you do that? Very simply, by allowing a light, natural human smile to appear. When you do this, not only do your facial muscles relax, but your entire body begins to relax as well. And this is key, because it is in a relaxed body, free from unnecessary tension, that the most efficient and productive breathing becomes possible. In this state, your body absorbs oxygen and carbon dioxide more effectively. Your airways function properly, and as a result, your entire system works in a more balanced and optimal way. So, along with the previous recommendations, or instructions if you prefer, we now add one more important element: relaxed facial muscles and a gentle smile. Got it? Excellent. Let's continue. See you in the next video. Wishing you all the best and great success in the program.